back to my channel, unless of course you're new here, in which case, hi, hello, my name is Ashley, and welcome to my random little corner of the internet. As you can tell from today's title, we will be unboxing March's LitJoy crate. It's not late as far as me doing it. It got here today in the mail. March's box was postponed due to shipping issues with everything having to do with coronavirus and all that like that, but no fear, it's here now, and that's what we're going to unbox. For those of you that don't know, LitJoy Crate is a monthly subscription box full of bookish items as well as a book. There are 3 different levels of the box. You can get the box that includes the book and all of the bookish items, or you can get just the book, which is a total surprise, or you can get just the items. But hey, why not get both, right? So, without further ado, we're just going to get into the box. Okay. Anything? Can you see anything? Sneaky peeks. Alright. So right here on top we do have what's going to be the spoiler card, the little booklet. The theme for March is Ride or Die, and from what I remember correctly from the website, it's basically a bunch of best friends. I know that it mentions something about like Harry Potter, Riverdale, Lord of the Rings, so I'm thinking some Sam and Frodo, some Harry and Ron. So let's just get in there. Alrighty. Air bubbles. And lots of squigglies. Ooh, ooh, cute. Okay. The very first item is this tiny little espresso mug. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Okay, so we've got this tiny little espresso mug, and around the top it's written in Elvish. Elvish, yeah. Which is just like the one ring. That is so cute. And around the top is gold, just like the ring as well as the handle. And it's like this soft sage color that is so cute. I don't drink espresso, so it's probably just gonna find itself up on my bookshelf. Alrighty, the next item. Ooh. Oh no! This goes with it. Okay. Okay. So this sits on it. It's got a little cup and saucer. And while this has the Elvish on it, this has the English on it. So it does say one ring to bring them all. Wait, that's the end of it. Hold on. Let me find the beginning. One ring to rule them all, one ring to find them, one ring to bring them all, and in the darkness bind them. So that's really cute. It's the same color. It's got the same gold trim on it. That is adorable. Little cup and saucer. Alright, next up. Ooh. Ooh, okay. They're little post-it notes, I think. Are they sticky on the back? They are. They are little post-it notes. And if I am correct, I believe that's Katniss from Hunger Games. So that's really cute. So I almost don't want to write on them because the picture is so cute. But yeah, it's all the same. And yeah. Alrighty. Ooh, next up. Ooh, it feels like a passport case, and I don't... Ooh, wait, nope, that's definitely a rune. So I'm going to go with this is a Shadowhunters thing. And yep, definitely a passport case. I don't have a passport. I've never been anywhere. But yes, definitely I tell from this little rune right here that this is Shadowhunters. It's very nice. I mean, it's thick. It's got your extra pockets here for more ID. It's very cute. So, you know, whenever I do get that opportunity to go anywhere that requires me to have a passport, now I have this cool little case to put it in. So that's really nice. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so the book is going to come in its own little sleeve, but I will get to that in a moment because there are a couple more things on the bottom. Ooh. Okay, so we have our playing cards. The artwork is beautiful. I don't recognize the characters. Gorgeous, though. Here we have the King of Hearts and the 8 of Hearts. I mean, they look good. And the Jack of Hearts. So here in a minute, when I look at the cheat sheet, I'll be able to tell you who these characters are, because, and some of you may be like, gosh, Ashley, you're so dumb. How do you not know who that is? These cards feel amazing, and I'm a little sad that, you know, I'm just now getting them in March, because that means I won't have a full deck. These cards are awesome. Alright. Our next up, oh, here's our Riverdale. Southside Serpents, Ride or Die. I am a huge Riverdale fan. Is it a sticker or a decal? It is a sticker. That's a sticker. I don't like to put stickers places because I feel like it's too much of a commitment. So we'll see. It might just sit up on the bookshelf too. Okay, or fall. That's cool. Alrighty. And then the last thing in the box before we get to the book is this gorgeous art print with a letter from the author on the back. Alrighty, so the last thing we get to is the book, but it comes in this awesome, it's a canvas bag. It's got this nice, like, looks like a dragon tamer, a la Dany Targaryen, with this ferocious looking dragon on it. Make sure I've got it turned correctly. Nope, upside down. Alright, so here we go. Alrighty. Ooh, okay. Bone Crier's Moon by Catherine Purdy. Alright, I mean, the book itself is gorgeous. Let me go ahead and I will read the cover, and I'll put a timestamp after I finish reading it, so if you don't want to have to read along. It says, Bone Criers have a sacred duty. They alone can keep the dead from preying on the living, but their power to ferry the spirits of the dead into Goddess Alara's night heavens or Tyrus's underworld comes from sacrifice. The gods demand a promise of dedication at the cost of Bone Crier's one true love. Elise has been prepared since birth to become the matriarch of the Bone Criers, but first she must complete her rite of passage and kill the boy she's once also destined to love. Okay. Bastian's father was slain by a Bone Crier, and he's been seeking revenge ever since. But his vengeance comes too late. Elise's ritual has begun, and now their fates are intertwined in life and death. Sabine has never had the stomach for the Bone Crier's work, but when her best friend, Elise, is taken captive, Sabine will do whatever it takes to break the bond between Elise and Bastian before they all die. The first pulse-pounding novel in a new duology, ooh, it's going to be 2, from the New York Times bestselling author of Burning Glass, shines with doom, romance, macabre magic, and a betrayal with power to shadow the boundary between the living and the dead. So let's see what it looks like. I know that they do yes they do. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is our, I'm assuming, going to be Elise and Bastian. Hopefully you can, yeah, there we go. It's the inside of the cover. And then the book itself is this really light, like a periwinkle blue with silver on the cover, or on the spine. And on the inside, it is signed by the author with a lovely page stating that it is a book crate edition, or a loot crate edition, sorry. And then there's that art print that we got with the letter from the author right here on the cover, on the inside title page. Alrighty, so now let's get into the cheat sheet. Alrighty, so here's our little pamphlet. It does say Ride or Die, which is the theme for March, as well as when you open it up, it's that same art print that's on the inside jacket cover. So when we open it up, it talks about all of the artists. The dust jacket was drawn by, or was illustrated by Monica Borg. Then the other art print that we got that has the letter from the author on the back was done by Brianna Iniesta. Hopefully, I'm going to butcher people's names. And then it does have stuff about the book, and then stuff about the author. Alright, here we go. So, it says the LitJoy edition of Bone Crier's Moon. Then the March trading cards. Ah, okay. So, I have not read A Court of Thorn and Roses, but that's what these are. The trading cards are from Akatar, A Court of Thorns and Roses. It says one is Rysand, one is Azrael, and one is Cassian. Again, since I haven't read it, I don't know which one is which, but they are very beautiful men. But it is definitely on my to-be-read list. I am going to be getting to those, I promise. Then we have the Hunger Games inspired sticky notes. So yes, I was right. It says inspired by the fierce females in Bonecryer's Moon who fight for the ones they love and against all odds. This 100-page sticky notepad features one of our favorite rebels, Katniss. And the artist here for this is Maggie Rose Studio. Oh, I didn't say who. The art for the cards is Tamar Vishadze? I know I butchered her name. I'm so sorry. But yes, Tamar. Our next up is our Shadowhunter inspired passport holder. It says, I'm not missing from you, you're not missing from me, is a phrase that Bastien from Bonecryer's Moon uses not only for his love, but for those he considers family. This beautiful declaration of how those we love become part of who we are reminded us of the strong bond and oath the Shadowhunter Parabate share. Use this beautiful Shadowhunter themed passport cover designed by Forensic and Flowers during your travels, but remember not to go anywhere your Parabate can't follow. So it is by Forensic and Flowers, with the art done by Vicky Lester. It is beautiful. Okay. Then next up was the Manon and Abraxas Throne of Glass book sleeve. Again, another one I have not read and definitely plan on getting them. So yes, the book sleeve is represented for Throne of Glass. It's not very thick, like padded wise, but it is made of canvas. And it says that this one is also done by Brianna Iniesta. It says, is there any relationship more ride or die than that between the witch Manon and her wyvern Abraxas? It is quite literally a ride or die friendship, one that we are quite obsessed with. We love that this book sleeve features incredible art by Iniesta illustrations and that it is such a useful item. It's perfect for protecting your books and devices. Note this book sleeve is 8 by 10 inches and made from cotton. And then our next one says quarterly collectible, the Lord of the Rings. I hope I don't break it. Okay. The Lord of the Rings Teacup and Saucer. Do we even need to explain why a nod to Tolkien's Fellowship of the Ring is included in a crate full of devoted friendships? This beautiful dark green and gold matte teacup features the inscription of both the One Ring, in both English and Tengwar, and it's sure to become a precious addition to your tea time routine. While this cup and saucer are microwave and dishwasher safe, they can be unmade in the fires of Mordor. It doesn't say so I'm assuming it says quarterly collectible, so it is a LitJoy crate exclusive. Our next will be our, already lost it? Oh, there it is, of course. Okay, so our next up is the Southside Serpent sticker. No serpent stands alone, no matter the circumstances. Elise and Bastion each have a true friend defiantly fighting hard to help them and keep them safe. Use the Southside Serpent sticker to display your unflinching devotion to those you love, those you would ride or die with. And then it does, on the last page, has the photo challenge for the month, and then it has the April theme. I wasn't able to get the April box due to, as I've already said, the coronavirus and all like that. Work has been weird and I wasn't able to get my hands on it, which really sucks. So I'm looking forward to seeing some other people's unboxings of it. But I will be getting the May box. And that's going to be it for our March LitJoy crate unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up sign as well as that big red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. And until next time, bye!